Yo, we're there with Taco Boss, you know, Jomo, what go on? Alright, straight up. Give me 2 of my thing them now.
Alright, no problem.
Yeah, man.
About 3 minutes.
Alright, no problem. So Jomo, tell about the food now, cause it look nice.
Well, the food ever fresh, ever active, freshly made every day.
Straight up.
Freshly made every day. We have everything Mexican, from wrap to quesadillas, to taco, you name it. Just come down and we have it.
Yeah, man, look for the place, man. Look for the place and see if we find it. Look how man set up nice. Look at it.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Right now we have orders, hundreds of orders.
Alright.
Hundreds of orders.
Yeah, collect my own, you know. So see boss, yeah. See there? Yeah, collect for one right away now. Come but we think no man, they have them respect. Carry food, come to this star. Yeah. Yeah, angle it right away. So see Jomo fix me up there. See food too there. So promote them man and tell them where you locate my boss. Me not tell them.
22 Oak Park Plaza, that's right below Nago Head Roundabout.
Alright.
Heading to KFC way.
Yes, sir.
Plaza, then the other plaza.
Can't miss.
Can't miss.
Yeah, man. So see you now. See if everything are coming now. Nice. Look on the wrap them. Nice, man. Blessings, man. Big up. Alright, Jomo.